The next thing that we want to add are the arcs that symbolizes the door swing for the interior and the exterior door panels. So it will look something like this, right? Now, if you look at this particular arc and click it, notice that the hinge or the center of the arc is right where the door hinge should be, okay? So it's very important that we construct this so that we have an arc right here that is the same radius as the opening and the length of the door panel. So that will be 860. So how do we do that? So we start the arc command by typing A space bar to start, and then we want to identify the center first. So C space bar, and the center should be at the hinge right there. Okay, and we want to click the start point. So it's asking us to specify the start point. The arc always go counterclockwise. So if we start here, this one is going clockwise, right? So it actually, what will happen is that the arc will go this way. So we want to actually start here so that the arc goes in the clockwise direction where we want our arc to be. So we end it right there, okay? So let's do that again. Let's zoom out and then zoom in. Start the arc command, A space bar, and then C space bar so that we can pinpoint where the center should be. And then again, we're going to a counterclockwise direction. So we'll start here and right there. Okay. So we can copy or mirror this particular arc or those arcs, but let's do it again. So A space bar, C space bar, define the center, and we want to go counterclockwise. So we're going to start here and right there. Okay. So let's do that for an interior door. So the system is the same or the procedure is the same. So A space bar, C space bar, so that we can define the center. And we're going counterclockwise. So we need to start here, right there, and it should end right here. Now, let's do that here as well. So this is an exterior door, A space bar, C space bar. So define the center, and then we're going counterclockwise. So we'll start here, and it should, oops, now something went wrong. See, I selected the wrong center point. That's why. So hit escape to cancel that command. A space bar, C space bar, and make sure you hit the point where the hinge will be. Okay, so there you go, and then start. And now, hopefully, yep, we got it correct this time. Okay, we have two more to do. So here, I'll say A, space bar, C, space bar. Go to where the hinge is, click, and we're going counterclockwise. So we're going to start here, and then it should end right there. Okay, and then again, A, space bar, E, space bar, select the hinge, and then start here, and then end right there. Okay, so that's how you add the hinge or the arcs for the doors for this exercise.